déclenché une opération dénommée Bangui sans coup de feu.
I've launched an operation called Bangui without gunfire. It's going to be put in place by a rapid intervention force under my command. In cases of pillaging, this rapid intervention force will be working round the clock and numbers will be made available to the population. As soon as there is an act of pillaging or vandalism in any area of the city, the culprits will be neutralised without delay. As I have said, the break is over, the time for looting is over, the time of chaos is over.